We're going to Umaga. Come on, so everybody. CJ's up, ready for kinder. What you got there? And, oh, Vegemite on toast. Oh, you lucky boy. You got motorbike?
Yeah, I'll go again.
Yeah, well, we've got to get ready for kinder, so come on. Each toast, please, or Daddy will take your bike off you. Come on.
I know it.
CJ's watching Bluey. All these toys are packed up. He slept on his bed last night, guys. Yay! Mummy and Daddy had some peace. Wet day in Melbourne. Been raining all night. Come on, CJ.
What's that sound?
Probably my tushy.
No, what?
Oh, it's the smell of the garden. That's Mum's car. We're going in that this morning. You in? Look, CJ. He's getting himself sorted. Hey. Hello. Daddy's car's in the garage. You got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
I'm talking about our garage, not the garage that's getting repaired. Because there's nothing to be repaired on. It's just having a break. I should be driving that. Anyway. I'll be back live this Saturday, Sunday night. Headrest. 12 o'clock Australia time, 10 PM Philippine time.
Nice blue car. I'll choose the red one and the blue one.
My apologies for not being on. I've been pretty crook, so sorry about that, guys. These things happen. When you're type 2 diabetic, you for some unknown reason, those prick machines, his thumb's sore. I don't know, with the one I got, it's called Lifestyle, and I'm trying to clear everything off it, and trust me, it's impossible. And it gives me the same reading as what I had a couple of days ago without the new reading. So I don't know whether the battery needs replacing or what is going on there. So have to figure out something. But I'm going to see the doctor this afternoon. I had Weet-Bix this morning with milk. I had a cup of tea earlier, but I'll probably won't have anything for lunch, just saladas with Vegemite on it. And an apple probably later on. I'll probably have an apple for brekkie. CJ's last day at kinder.
Yay!
School holidays. Yay! Yeah, all right. Jesus, I tell you, some people are so impatient. Rubbish truck, yeah. Which way you want to go? Quick, quick!
Daddy.
We go around sideways. In the wet. He loves it. I wouldn't do that, guys, because when you got a little one in the car, it's a no-no. I don't muck around that much, guys. I kid around over joke, that's the thing, but when you're in the car, not worth it. Isn't that right? Big shout out to Judy Fisher, Jay's Journey, and Luan Journey. Kids are going to school. Like you, CJ, going to school. Daddy's got to go to Bunnings after this.
No way.
I've got to go pick up a mop bucket because Daddy broke the other one.
No.
Yes, Daddy broke it. Daddy put his big fat foot on it and broke it. It's got one of those things. I don't make them like they used to, guys. It used to be all metal. I reckon if they made a metal bucket the same as these Veleda buckets with the proper metal push down thing to slosh the water around, it would be awesome. Supposed to be a fine day today, but for some unknown reason it's wet already, and I think they said it was going to be sunny and shining later on, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. Turbo! Yeah.
Go fast.
Oh, you told me to go fast the other day. I'm not going fast in the wet, CJ. Be nice. Yeah, I reckon they should make... Everything's plastic these days and it lasts like 5 freaking minutes.
I'm going to smash Granny's car.
I'm not going to smash Granny's car. We need Granny's car. Why would I smash Granny's car? That's a bit ridiculous.
The red one.
Oh, the red one. Behind us?
Yes.
Yeah, sit right up your tail, will you?
For us. The red one is not for us.
We went a different way this morning.
Daddy,
Yeah.
the white one's following us.
Oh, the white one's following us. Is it a police car or is it a standard car? It's actually silver, CJ.
I like.
I think you're colourblind, mate.
No, that's not a police car. That's a car.
It's a car, yes.
It's going for. It's going.
He probably would have had
for
his
us.
lights on
And
me
it's
before I even got out the driveway this
Granny's
morning.
car. Oh yeah.
Whoa. Geez, he was in a hurry. Got plenty of cars coming down this way.
For us, Dad. Hey, that's not car. That's
No, he went through.
that's Amos' car.
Amos? Is that Amos' car?
That's Amos' car.
Ah, is that your little friend at Gingy? I should say school.
Yeah.
You call it school.
Yeah.
He's going to do another year at school next year, guys, at kindergarten, guys. Wow, what a rig.
Whoa. Big,
Nice.
good.
Let's take that one and get back. Yeah, he's going to kindergarten again next year, so...
That's Charlie's car.
Charlie's car.
Park here. Park here.
Yeah, I'll park here.
Oh. Mom.
Alright guys, this has been Scott Expat in the Philippines with baby CJ. We'll catch you later. Have a great day, enjoy, relax, have fun. Remember, life's good. Bye for now.